Hey garden people, it brings us great sadness to say our beans and peas were eaten by a family of hungry deer. They just grew tall enough to reach the trellis. But we won't let pesky deer get in the way of our planting, will we? So let's do deer prevention. Come on! So we went back to the nursery to grab the same bean and pea seeds that we used. Then we found some bamboo stalks to stake into the ground, and we ran to the hardware store to get some clear fishing line. We researched that deer will jump over a fence if they can see the other side. We don't want to add a big fence in our garden, but we do have another trick up our sleeve, an invisible fence. This way, when deer approach thinking they can waltz right up to nibble on our plants, they'll run into this invisible fence and be scared. They won't know how high they need to jump because they won't see the fence line. It's genius. So we'll plant our seeds, set up our fence, and wait for the culprits to show their face. Until then, wish our bean babies luck. And thanks for watching.